Hi, good morning. We're on day 3. We're gonna go to Hollywood Studios this morning. I think we're gonna make most of rope drop or of early entry.
Right.
This is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is London Elkins, and this is my husband, Chris.
Hello.
We have 4 boys, and we love Disney. I reacted to something. Oh, it's looking a lot better, actually. My eyes were almost completely swollen shut.
She looked like she could have been mistaken for Quasimodo in Magic Kingdom.
No, it was bad. It really was. They were very swollen. When we get there, we're getting coffee. That's the first thing. I lost by a lot in Toy Story Mania.
It was what, 500,000 to 99,000?
Oh my gosh, wait.
Nothing can stop us now. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Oh. Hi, Goofy.
Well, a beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See y'all there. Oh, hiya, folks.
3, 4, 5.
Hooray, hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Ruby, rock down. Let's
We've come to the part of the trip that I've been dreading, and that is Tower of Terror. I'm literally sitting over by Villains trying to gain my courage to go. Oh,
Every time we say we're going to write it, but then you end up getting pregnant.
not today. Like, my belly hurts. I'm so nervous.
Yeah, it's constipation.
That too. My feet hurt so bad. I'm having a hard time getting off this ledge.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Really nervous.
Do I get one of these to let London know what kind of mood she's in?
Bing, 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 bing. The Roundup iced latte has a little animal cookie. A lemon flavored cookie. Oh, it's pretty good. You want to try it? It has a cookie butter syrup and a dulce de leche sauce. We'll edit that out. We're headed to Woody's Lunchbox to get our lunch. We're also bringing Liam home one of the is it a key lime Pop-Tart?
I don't know what it is.
One of the little alien Pop-Tarts from Woody's Lunchbox.
Multiple times.
Because our son Liam saw it on a Disney blog, a Disney food blog. And that's all he's been asking for every time we FaceTime. We got lunch at Woody's Lunchbox. We even scored a table, which is incredible. I ordered, we both ordered kids' meals. I ordered the grilled cheese and Chris ordered the turkey sandwich, but...
This is the infamous cookie.
Yes, and that's for Liam. It's gonna somehow have to survive the way home. It's already falling apart. So I ordered grilled cheese. We both got turkey sandwiches though.
That's all right.
It's okay. I do enjoy a turkey sandwich. Got some tomato soup for dipping. I got a Diet Coke and Chris got a Coke. He's gonna have to test to see which is which. I am hungry. It's gotten very hot. We're gonna eat our lunch and then we're gonna do Toy Story Mania again because we have a lightning lane. So we're gonna go do Toy Story Mania and then we're gonna head back to the resort and get in the pool for a little bit, cool down. And then we'll be back tonight. Hopefully we can do Tower of Terror again because I ended up loving it. This is the only ride I've been on where I felt like on the verge of a panic attack. But after a few drops, I was like, okay, this is awesome. And I will be doing it again. We're not gonna do Fantasmic. Chris isn't like the biggest Fantasmic fan. We'll do it next time with the kids. We're gonna enjoy our lunch. Okay. It's a hearty sandwich. Honestly, the kids' meal is the perfect size. And it comes with 2 sides. So I got tomato soup and potato barrels. We'll see.
I got a cutie for a cutie.
Are you the cutie? Here's Chris's t-shirt for today. A cast member complimented him and said, it's just too soon, which I thought was funny. It's a cool shirt. Chris is a big Muppets fan.
It's a Roosevelt's original.
Okay, Chris and I have a little wager. If I win this one, I get to become an annual pass holder.
Okay. What if I win?
Then, I don't know, you gotta think of your prize. What? Feeling good about this. Let the games begin. Here we go.
This is the only time where it'll be tied. About to blow her away.
Where it'll be tied. Oh, because it's at 0.
153 to 120.
But look at the accuracy. My accuracy is so much better.
I'm glad the vlog is catching this.
So I've never posted on TikTok in my life, and I randomly posted a video last night, and now I feel like I'm addicted. I'm a creative. Catch me on TikTok. Catch me on TikToks. Hi everybody. We just got up from a nap, or I just got up from a nap. Chris actually finished his book. What book did you read?
It's called Old Bones. Don't ask me who wrote it. They were supposed to be similar to like Michael Crichton. It was good. Ending was lame.
We went to the pool. It was amazing. It was so sunny and hot. And I think now it's raining. I heard a big crash of thunder.
Yeah.
But we're gonna head back to, where is it?
Oh. Which one?
We're gonna head back to Hollywood Studios. I got this shirt on Etsy. And I think it's super cute. I love the colors. I like Chris's hat. We're gonna go back. We have a lightning lane for
Alien swirling saucers.
Alien swirling saucers, which is one of my favorite rides.
Started 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, we gotta go. We're gonna get something to eat. We have a lightning lane for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then we're gonna try to do Tower of Terror again tonight because we had so much fun.
And then we have a lightning lane for Slinky Dog.
Oh, Slinky Dog! I
Yeah.
couldn't remember what our third. How could I?
We're
forget?
ending it with Tower of Terror.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the trip with Tower of Terror.
Yeah.
And then I'm hungry. I want like food and I want a sweet treat. So we'll see what we want to get. Maybe a Ronto wrap,
The Dole Whip.
a Dole Whip.
Yeah.
Where do we get Dole Whip in Hollywood?
I don't know. We'll find it.
I've never had Dole
Let
Whip.
us know in the comments. Where do you
Well,
find Dole Whip? And
It'll be too late by then.
Hollywood.
All right, let's get out of here. I do think this is my moment.
yeah.
Let's do it. All right.
Oh wow! Show it off. So that's what you're working with. Turn around, spin. Oh wow! Pop the collar. Wow.
Is it cute?
Oh, it's so cute.
I got this the sweatshirt I wanted, and it was
it's really coming
20% off. Do you know why?
Oh,
Do you know why?
oh my goodness! Hold on.
Oh, it's torrential downpour. Let's go find some place to eat. It's raining on my parade, literally. I got this. The sweatshirt I've been eyeing since we got here. 20% off because I am officially an annual pass holder. Literally a dream come true. I want to personally thank my husband, Chris Elkins, for working so hard for this moment, for supporting me along the way.
Oh wow! Star Tours is only a 5-minute wait.
I do like Star Tours. I think you would like it.
I've ridden it.
We just ate at Rosie's. Rosie's?
Yeah, Rosie's.
Why? I don't know the full name.
We're such a first name basis
We
with her.
got cheeseburgers and fries and the buffalo
fries.
The buffalo fries.
Yeah.
The buffalo fries were awesome. Did the job.
Yeah, it hit the spot.
I needed the sustenance. We're gonna go wait 45 minutes for Tower. 45 minutes or 30 minutes till our Slinky Dog lightning lane. So we're just gonna. This looks longer than 45 minutes.
I know.
You are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Find yourself a permanent resident.
That was amazing. That was fun. All right, time for Mama's favorite ride.
It's gonna pop out. We saw that Toy Story Mania had a standby of only 10 minutes. So we're gonna ride it for the third time
I'm
today.
gonna try to win this time. I let Chris win twice.
Well,
Stopped at Joffrey's for my very last cold brew of the trip. This cookie looked yummy. Very, oh wow. Thank you. Chicken Jamaican with hazelnut and cream. This is like a toffee cookie or something. This is actually the best coffee of the trip. It's not a wise choice. Our Uber is coming to pick us up for the airport at 2:30 in the morning. Update on Toy Story Mania. We rode it for the third time. I lost tremendously again. My arm, Chris and I were dying. Our arms hurt so bad from pulling that chain. But it was really fun. I'm glad we got to do it 3 times. Chris wants to stop at Gertie, if it's open, to get some ice cream. We're going to do that. Then we're going to head back to the resort. We're sad. But it's okay. It's been a great trip.
has been a good trip.
Ready?
Yep.
Go like this, everybody. Touching it. Get them up over there. Reaching, reach out. Touching me. Touch a guy next to you. Just be careful. This is Disney World.